You are going to love the 2019 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, traction control, remote keyless entry, rear step bumper, speed control, front wheel independent suspension, 4-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, power windows, tachometer. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.